Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. TPM2. 0. Secure boot, 64-bit CPU, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB free storage. Once confirmed, make a full backup or system image so you can revert if needed. Next, open your firmware settings to enable TPM and secure boot if they are off. Then run the PC health check tool to verify eligibility. Make sure Windows 10 is updated to the latest build before proceeding. That reduces upgrade errors and prepares drivers. You now acquire the installer. Choose Windows Update for in-place upgrade, or download the Installation Assistant or Media Creation tool for a manual upgrade. Once downloaded, close apps, disconnect printers and external drives, and pause third-party antivirus to avoid interference. Free up disk space and create a recovery USB so you can troubleshoot. Make sure you know your Microsoft account credentials or product key. Then, launch the installer and follow prompts. Select Keep Personal Files or perform a clean install depending on your intent. You finish by following on-screen instructions. The machine will reboot multiple times as setup completes. Once you reach the desktop, run Windows Update and update drivers through Device Manager or Manufacturer tools to ensure stability, then confirm activation in Settings. If something goes wrong, note the error code and use the recovery drive to roll back to Windows 10 or boot safe mode to disable problematic drivers. For persistent issues, restore your backup image or consult the installation log files to pinpoint the failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.